Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn how to find the value of x in simple algebra equations that involves addition and subtraction. The good news is that every equation we solve today follows one simple idea. We want to get the value of x by itself. To do that, we use the opposite operation. Let's see how it works. Let's start with this equation. X plus 5 equals 12. Our goal is to get the value of x by itself. So, right now, 5 is being added to x. So, what is the opposite of adding 5? It's subtracting 5. Remember, whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do that to the other side as well. So, let's subtract 5 from both sides. Minus 5 on the left side and minus 5 on the right side. On the left side, plus 5 and minus 5 cancels each other. So we are left with x. And on the right side, 12 minus 5 is 7. That leaves us with x equals 7. Let's check. 7 plus 5 equals 12. That is correct. Therefore, x equals 7. Let's try another one. X plus 8 equals 15. Again, x has plus 8 added to it. To undo that, we subtract 8 from both sides. Here, plus 8 and minus 8 cancels out each other, so x is left on the left side there is x, and on the right side there is 7. Always ask yourself what is being done to x, then do the opposite. 7 plus 8 is 15, so that works. Now let's look at subtraction. X minus 7 equals 10. This time 7 is being subtracted from x. To cancel out 7, we need to add plus 7 on the both sides. On the left side, 7 and 7 cancels each other, so we are left with x. On the right side, 10 plus 7 is 17. So we get x equals 17. Let's check. 17 minus 7 equals 10, which is correct. So x equals to 17. Let's solve one more. X minus 12 equals to 4. What is happening to x? 12 is being subtracted from x. So we add 12 to the both sides. This will help us separate x on the left side. On the left side, 12 and 12 cancels each other, so there's only x remaining. 4 plus 12 on the right hand side makes it 16. Let's verify. 16 minus 12 equals 4. That is correct. So, value of x was 16. A simple rule: when solving addition and subtraction equations, if a number is being added to x, then we subtract it, so that these gets cancelled out and then x would be getting a number. If a number is being subtracted from x, then we add the number. This will isolate x on the left side, cancels the number, and then we'll be left with the value of x. Addition and subtractions are opposites. Common mistake. One common mistake is doing something to only left side of the equation. For example, x plus 5 equals 12. Now, if we subtract 5 from the left side, we must also subtract 5 from the right side. Always keep the equation balanced. Whatever you do on the left side, you must also do that to the right side. Therefore, x equals 7. Now, it's your turn. Pause the video and solve these equations. Try them before looking at the answers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.